Our economies and societies depend on a tax system that's fair. That's true for individuals and it's true for business. Yet today, by using complicated tax arrangements, some multinationals can pay nearly a third less tax than companies that only operate in one country. What does that mean? It means that if they're paying less, someone else has to pay more. And it means that smaller companies, which cannot shift their profits or can't afford clever tax advice to minimise their tax bill, those companies are at a competitive disadvantage. And that can't be right. And I feel this particularly strongly as someone who used to run a small business myself. That's why we've brought forward proposals to encourage companies to pay tax where they make their profit. And to support that effort, we're today making a proposal to increase transparency, to require larger multinationals to publish the profits they make and the tax they pay in Europe on a country-by-country basis. They'll also be required to report on the tax they pay outside the EU. This is a way of increasing accountability, and it means that people would be able to see how much tax Europe's larger multinationals pay and where they pay it. And to make sure that European businesses aren't the only ones doing it, we'll introduce the same rules for non-European multinationals doing business here in Europe. Increasing transparency will help make companies more accountable. It will promote fairer competition between companies regardless of their size. And it will, I hope, build trust in Europe's businesses and the fairness of our tax systems.